Hey guys, today I'm going to bring you something a little bit different. It is the 5 riffs to learn if you are just starting out. So you've gotten your feet wet a little bit, you're ready to move forward, and you want to learn some riffs that are a lot of fun to play. So these are my top 5, volume 1. I'm going to come out with several more of these, so keep checking back. The first riff on this list is Walk This Way by Aerosmith. It is very simple. Check it out. Alright guys, the next riff on my list is the Batman theme from the original Batman. It only uses 3 frets and moves around a little bit. Check out the tablature right after this. The next riff, number 3, the third riff on the list, is beginning to become the new Stairway to Heaven. It's the riff that everybody learns. Check it out, Seven Nation Army. Alright guys, getting to riff number 4, great one for summer, great one for baseball season. It's John Fogerty's Centerfield. Check it out. And for the last one, I try to pick different styles, some new, some old. This is a brand new one, well, fairly brand new, Cake by the Ocean. It's another really simple one that you can learn. Check it out. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed these riffs. For each one of these riffs, I have the lesson video attached to the riff below. So I hope you enjoyed the tablature. If you enjoy my channel, click subscribe below and check out my weekly guitar lesson on Wednesdays. See you next time.